Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Wow. Today, we're doing a little French version. Yeah, that's right, a little French meal that I picked up along the way. Although, what I'm doing is I'm adding some Italian flavors. And you probably have had it. It's called Beef Bourguignon. Yeah, a little French jar. But because we're in the Cucina today, we're going to be calling it Beef Bourgincina. So we have the flour in a bowl like this, and then, of course, here's our chopped beef here. And everything will be in descriptions, and it goes in the flour, and we toss it around, and then we come on over here to the pan where I'm going to put it. Then here's some of the ingredients. We have onions, then we have mushrooms, then we have carrots, then we have some blackberry wine. That's what this is, blackberry wine right there. And then we have some beef broth right here. Then I'm moving over here to, we have garlic. Oh, look at the garlic. That's right. Then, of course, we have the herbs de Provence. Yeah. And I just dump it in just like so. This is this simple, boy. We're getting ready to lightly saute the beef in a little bit of olive oil that I have right here. Okay, while the meat is lightly sauteing, I'm going to start on the sauteing of the onions and add some garlic after that. And now I'm going to add the carrots to the sauteed onions and garlic. Okay, now that everything is sauteing, it's time to make the roux. Got my flour, got my whisk. The butter's already in there. Make sure that the flour gets cooked well and no lumps, okay? You're gonna love it. Come on in. Adding the broth. Now it's time for the blackberry wine. Let's do it. Combination time. Here we go. It's time to put the lid on and let it go for at least 2 hours. Here we go. Beef Bourgincina. Yeah, and here it is. A salute. It looks beautiful. Should I take a bite? Give myself a bite like that. Look at that. Let me try it. Ooh, it's warm. Oh, so tender. Wow, that was delicious. When you weren't around, I did add the spices, herbs de Provence. That's right. Did you see the Provence? That's right. I can also do it in Italian. A salute. Anyway, thanks for joining us here at Vito's Italian Cucina. You can do it with pasta. You can do it with mashed potatoes, all vegetables and stuff. Everything will be in the description. Thank you so much for being here today. A salute. Ciao.